For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an agriculture business in today's world offers tremendous potential, especially when paired with artificial intelligence. AI can help you analyze land, predict crop yields, automate irrigation, manage livestock, and optimize your marketing and sales strategies. As your coach, I'll walk you step by step through launching an agriculture business using AI tools. Each step will include relevant AI tools and sample prompts to help you get started. Step 1. Define your agricultural niche and business model. Decide what type of agriculture business you want to launch. Your choices could include crop farming, e.g. organic vegetables, fruits, grains; livestock farming, e.g. poultry, cattle, goats; agritech services, e.g. drone spraying, soil testing; hydroponics or vertical farming; agritourism. Use AI tools to help research market trends and opportunities. AI tools. ChatGPT for brainstorming business ideas and drafting a concept. Google Trends for analyzing demand. Answer the Public for consumer questions around agriculture. Sample prompt. ChatGPT, give me 5 agriculture business ideas suitable for a tropical climate with moderate capital and high demand in local markets. Step 2. Write a smart business plan. Use AI to draft a solid business plan that includes executive summary, market analysis, operations plan, pricing, and financial projections. AI tools. ChatGPT for writing a business plan. Notion AI or Jasper for organizing your plan. UpMetrics AI for structured business plan templates. Sample prompt. Write a business plan for a small-scale organic tomato farm in Florida, targeting local restaurants and supermarkets. Step 3. Conduct market and competitor research. AI can help you analyze competitors, pricing strategies, customer preferences, and demand patterns. AI tools. ChatGPT for summarizing competitor info. ChatPDF or Claude AI for analyzing industry reports. Crayon or SEMrush for competitor intelligence and online visibility. Sample prompt. List and analyze top 5 competitors in organic vegetable farming in South Florida and describe their strengths and weaknesses. Step 4. Choose your land or setup. AI-assisted tools can analyze soil quality, terrain, rainfall data, and more. AI tools. CropX, AI-driven soil data analysis. OneSoil, satellite imagery for land analysis. Agrimo, drone-based crop analysis. Sample prompt. ChatGPT, what should I look for when choosing farmland for banana farming in a tropical region? Step 5. Select crops or livestock based on AI predictions. AI can forecast which crops will be most profitable based on seasonality, market prices, and climate. AI tools. AgriPredict predicts crop diseases and best planting times. IBM Watson Decision Platform for agriculture forecasts weather and market conditions. Plantix for crop health diagnostics. Sample prompt. Based on current market trends and weather patterns, what crops should I grow in Central Florida from October to March? Step 6. Plan and automate operations. AI-driven farm management software can help with seeding schedules, watering, harvesting, and livestock care. AI tools. FarmBot, open-source precision farming robot. Taranis, for field monitoring using AI and drone data. FarmLogs or Granular, farm management software. Sample prompt. Create a monthly planting and irrigation schedule for a 5-acre tomato farm with drip irrigation. Step 7. Design a marketing strategy. Use AI to create brand assets, design content, build social media calendars, and write ads. AI tools. ChatGPT for creating marketing plans. Canva AI for logos, flyers, and visual content. Copy.ai or Jasper AI for writing social posts and product descriptions. Sample prompt. Create a 3-month marketing plan for launching an organic farm business targeting health-conscious urban families. Step 8. Build your online presence. A website and social media profiles help you attract customers, wholesalers, and even investors. AI tools. Durable AI or Wix ADI for auto-generating websites. Loka for AI-powered branding and logo design. Okoya for automated social media, scheduling, and content. Sample prompt. Generate website content for an eco-friendly urban rooftop farm that supplies organic greens to local restaurants. Step 9. Financial planning and budgeting. Estimate your startup costs, break-even point, ROI, and pricing strategy using AI financial models. AI tools. ChatGPT plus Excel or Google Sheets with AI plugins. LivePlan for cash flow and financial forecasts. QuickBooks AI Assistant for managing accounts. Sample prompt. Create a startup budget and 12-month cash flow forecast for a 10-acre mixed vegetable farm using drip irrigation. Step 10. Explore funding and grants. AI can help you identify available agricultural grants, subsidies, and investors. AI tools. ChatGPT or Perplexity.ai for finding funding sources. GrantTable AI for writing grant proposals. AI-generated pitch decks via Beautiful.ai or Canva AI. Sample prompt. List government grants available for first-time farmers in the USA and write a pitch for applying to the USDA's Beginning Farmers Program. Step 11. Set up logistics and supply chain. AI can optimize your supply chain, delivery routes, and inventory levels to reduce waste and increase efficiency. AI tools. Route4Me AI for delivery route optimization. ClearMetal, AI-powered inventory and supply chain forecasting. ChatGPT for writing SOPs, standard operating procedures. Sample prompt. Create a logistics plan for weekly delivery of fresh vegetables to 10 local supermarkets within a 30-mile radius. Step 12. Monitor, analyze, and improve. Track crop yields, customer feedback, and market demand using AI analytics and make continuous improvements. AI tools. Tableau AI or Power BI with AI plugins for visual dashboards. FarmSense for real-time crop health analytics. ChatGPT to summarize feedback or suggest changes. Sample prompt. Summarize customer reviews and suggest how I can improve quality and packaging for leafy greens delivered to retail stores. Step 13. Scale the business. Once stable, use AI to identify growth opportunities such as export potential, B2B sales to hotels, caterers, hospitals, adding new crops or services, expanding to nearby farms. AI tools. ChatGPT plus market reports. GrowthBar AI for SEO and content marketing. OpenAI Code Interpreter or Excel AI for financial growth modeling. Sample prompt. Analyze the potential for exporting organic herbs from Florida to Canada. What are the regulations, costs, and demand outlook? Final thoughts. Combining agriculture with AI is one of the smartest ways to modernize your farming business and stay competitive. AI simplifies complex processes, boosts productivity, reduces costs, and provides real-time decision support. Start with small steps, use AI tools strategically, and scale as you gain traction. Stay flexible. Agriculture is influenced by climate, policy, and market shifts. But with AI as your partner, you'll always be equipped with insights to adapt quickly and grow sustainably. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.